Ah, what a fun, relaxing day at Sprunky Park. At least until the robots attack. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Well, I hope everyone had fun, because the park's gonna be closed for a long while, or forever, whichever comes first. Well, we'll just need to find a new place to play. This seems nice, you know, for a fixer-upper. Let's start with something sweet. An ice cream parlor with a hot dog and pizza on the side. Variety is the spice of life, after all. Ooh, a rooftop patio. And a slide. Never knew that construction could be so quick. It takes a year to fix a road, but we've got a roller coaster.
Wow!
I guess Sprunkyland is truly a magical place. There's a pool. Your very own DJ station. And, it's worth repeating, there's even a roller coaster. Now this is the only way to travel. Plus, you can get a snack and take a quick shower. You can practically live here, and these guys just might do that. It's Huntrix and the Saja boys in box form. Perhaps they'll join forces to fight this new threat. Good idea. He's better off as used parts. It's the perfect building material for a new stage. Just the thing for a show or a battle of the bands. Come on, Saja boys. You guys are going first. The judges' scores are... That's out of 5, right? Oh. Yeah, don't make us get out that shepherd's crook. Okay, Huntrix, it's your turn. Get on stage. Talk about saving the best for next. But let's wait to see what the judges think. Ah, I can see they have good taste. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's out to beat Flash's record. And you know I'm talking about the sloth. Don't worry, we have an idea what to do. Wow, talk about having a head for these things. Starting things off, we're gonna need some serious wheels. Not to mention a steering wheel and other things. And let everyone know this is official police business. But we'll need 2 horses in this race. And by horses, I mean cars, just so we're clear. You just know that this car comes with speed. It even says so on the top. Okay guys, it's time to suit up. Now it's time for you to catch that cat burglar. If nothing else, she's getting a speeding ticket. Or at least a really serious talking to. It's Derpy. And it looks like it's lunchtime.
Ooh!
Why don't we check the cupboard? It's Mother Hubbard all over again.
Oh.
Well, I guess it's time for us to get building. Any guesses as to what she's making? Aw, Sussy wants to help, but this is taking too long. Ah, magic wands. Never leave home without it. Wait, it's a giant hot dog, complete with ketchup. Of course, I wouldn't say no to pickles. And hot dogs are always great with mustard. Okay, it already looks good enough to eat. But we made this for Derpy with love. Uh-oh, it's the block police. And there's a message for us.
Huh?
Oh no! Nick, Gary, and Judy are all missing. Zoom in. Grab the magnifying glass. We're on the case. Well, for the time being, we can just make our own Judy. And she's gonna need her foxy friend by her side. Ooh, there's already a little snake on your shoulder. Not sure how that happened, but happy to have you. Get your money ready, folks. We've got a new crane machine. Wow, we're getting a bunch of new block friends. Ooh, I'm hoping we get that Sonic. Great success. Wow, we've got enough minifigs for a party. But you can't have a party without things to drink. And we're talking soda.
No, 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 no.
Hold on, we got you covered. We just need to whip up a soda machine. Good thing there's plenty of blocks to go around. We just need to make sure the cans can slide on out. Let everyone know what flavors are available. And a few decorations are great for advertising.
Wow.
Why don't we test it out? Wow, it's already stocked. Here, have a free sample. The rest is $1 each. Everyone get your money ready. Exact change is appreciated. All right, sodas. Sodas for everyone. Let's party. That was some party. Look at all this leftover candy. Ooh, this marshmallow's got a candy filling. Why don't we grab all of these gummies and add some heat to melt it all into place. Ooh, it's getting nice and bubbly. Let it cool and grab out your new Candyman. Ooh, talk about room to grow. He can stretch. Of course, he's also great at reducing. Unfortunately, he's got friends in all sorts of places. Which is impressive for someone who was just made. And he was in charge of your birthday party prep? No worries, we can do it. Complete with custom candles. Well, candle. Just the thing to fit on top of this cute cupcake. Don't forget to spark things up. Okay, birthday boy, it's time to make a wish.
Here you go.
Time for art class. And this is how you draw a circle. Okay, it's your turn. Well, that could be rounder. Uh-oh, this guy doesn't look too happy. Well, let's hope he offers some extra credit. We need one of those circle drawing tools. I think they're called compasses. Well, we can make one. Wow, a perfect circle! And we're not done. Let's take some blocks to make a few additions. Now attach the compass. slide the pencil right on in. You can use this to draw ovals now. And you just know what grade this is getting. Crank out the disco ball. It's a sprunky pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I need to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a sprunky eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with.
Hey.
This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those choppers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad and rest of toad. A toadstool, some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time. We need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start. And who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black. Let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, All the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow! You even earned an extra life! But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not gonna complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart, in more ways than one. Who needs the sea when we've got a winter wonderland? Just make sure you're properly dressed first. Uh-oh! Winter just freezes in the snow! Ironically. Maybe this stick could help. Maybe not. Oh no! We have to hurry before winter turns into an ice cone! We should make sure that everything is safe around here. Uh-oh! This looks like a job for our trusty mallet! When it comes to reindeer, I'll stick with Rudolph. Usually, third time's the charm around here. We need to heat things up around here. Or we'll need to change Gray's name to Blue. Gray is gray again, but let's save some water. Once again, a little water is the solution.
Ooh.
There's so much cool stuff, from ice cream to penguins. But let's focus. We need to find Winter. Ooh, looks like Santa needs to pick up Frosty. We found Winter, and she's got a foxy new attitude. How unique! We've got a new snowflake. All these items combined will get Simon back to normal.
Huh?
Okay, you've spent enough time out. You're free to go. Want to have a basement party? No? Then we might as well head upstairs. Watch your step. Oh no, not this again. Come on, everyone. Let's all lend a hand to pick things up. See? Cleaning can be fun. And so is avoiding Simon's wrath.